Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of November 19th, 2024, our system has categorized Apple as a hold or accumulate, awarding it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 6.29% since we initially recommended purchasing Apple 10 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.63% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The stock has recently surpassed a weak rise in the short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. Should there be any pullback, there will now be support at the threshold of the current trend, broken at $241.35. This level may present a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $257.44 is identified as the next possible peak level and could act as a resistance that may not be breached on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 4.42% over the next quarter, with a possible return ranging from negative 3.06% to positive 3.86%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a forecasted change of 31.81% over the next year, with a potential return between 10.88% and 40.82%. This translates to a price range of $269.06 to $341.70 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline, Apple's stock price ended at $242.65 on Tuesday after gaining 1.28%. The Apple stock price increased by 1.28% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, rising from $239.59 to $242.65. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 1.61%, reaching a day low of $238.90 and a day high of $242.76. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and has risen by 6.42% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 5 million shares, with a total of 34 million shares traded for approximately $8.37 billion. It is important to note that declining volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the days ahead. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $242.76, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price is 0.04%, or 10.5 cents, below the 52-week high of $242.76, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Apple is making significant strides in technology and market positioning as it utilizes Amazon's custom AI chips for various services, a fact disclosed during the AWS reInvent conference. This collaboration could enhance Apple's artificial intelligence capabilities, signaling a strategic move that may drive long-term innovation and efficiency. The immediate impact could bolster investor confidence, potentially influencing short-term stock prices positively. Additionally, BofA Securities has reiterated a buy rating with a price target of $256, suggesting that analysts foresee a promising growth trajectory amid Apple's multi-year iPhone adoption cycle and strong App Store dynamics. This positive sentiment aligns well with Apple's vision for sustained revenue growth. However, Apple faces challenges as it navigates a class action lawsuit in the United Kingdom related to its App Store fees, amounting to $995 million, which accuses the company of anti-competitive practices. This legal challenge could create short-term volatility in stock prices as investors weigh potential financial repercussions. On another note, reports indicate that Indonesia is anticipating an investment commitment of $1 billion from Apple. This substantial investment reflects Apple's ongoing expansion efforts and adaptability in navigating regulatory environments, which could translate to enhanced brand loyalty and market share over time. Overall, while Apple's collaborations and investments indicate a robust outlook, legal challenges could inject uncertainty. Balancing these factors will be crucial for assessing Apple's stock trajectory in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned AAPL a neutral grade with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Jefferies also gave AAPL a hold grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, it was noted that Wedbush provided AAPL with an outperform grade accompanied by a hold action. On Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, KeyBank issued a grade of underweight for AAPL with a hold action. And on Tuesday, the 5th of November, 2024, Bernstein rated AAPL with an outperform grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Apple stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell rating. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of a decline, support is expected at $236.04 and $230.27. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, November 4th, 2024, and since then the stock has risen by 9.3%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite price gains. This divergence between volume and price may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored closely. The stock experienced a golden star signal on Wednesday, September 18, 2024, in the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a unique combination. This occurrence is quite rare and is often followed by substantial and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 21 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we notice short moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 137 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $232.87. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences strong trading volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is considered low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.85, which represents 1.61% between its high and low. In the previous week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.31%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's briefly review some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This is considered a typical PE ratio, often observed in companies with established track records or stable revenue streams. Additionally, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts are projecting consensus estimates at $2.36. It's crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $232.87. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources remains neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson executed an insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson again sold 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 19th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson conducted an insider sale of 50,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Chris Kondo sold 4,130 shares of common stock. On the 5th of November, 2024, Catherine L. Adams performed an insider sale of 8,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 28.310. In total, insiders have purchased 2,065,334 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $231, indicating a decline of 4.8%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, resulting in a lower risk profile. However, with a relative strength index of 85, the risk significantly increases. Moreover, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 20 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find them sufficient to recommend a purchase at this time. Currently, it is better viewed as a hold or accumulation candidate while we wait for further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of December, we expect Apple to open down by $1.21, starting at $241.44. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.